What's up, guys? Keep Trades. Today is July 17th and a banger day. I ended up calling 2 wins. Could have been 3 wins, but the first setup was a personal trade. Just didn't like the way we closed on our entry. Overall, a smashing day. We had Chris catch the longs with us, Butter as well, and then I took my personal trade. I just took 5 micros, but still a nice profit on the day. Live account there, boom. So this is our perfect setup. I'm gonna go into 2 A+ setups today. Here's the first one. So clear buyers uptrend. We're sitting at the 15-minute. I said if we retrace to the 15-minute bullish or the 4-hour, find aggressive buyers. I like longs. That is exactly what happened. 181s and 222s. Right, if we sell off inverse, looking for the 4-hour price overnight low. Again, we got that 4-hour price right off the open. So coming into the structure for the day, again, I'm looking for a 4-hour price and then continuation long. Here's a structure. Here is that 4-hour fair value gap. And this is that 20,071 low I called, which is just the price into the 4-hour. My long targets were simple. On the 1-hour, we had minor equal highs here. And then obviously a new all-time high. Coming into the session open, absolutely dumped her down. There was a 5-minute short here, but dumped her down. Here is the first A+ model. All right, we left an SMT here. I had confidence in the long, so I ended up getting long just at the 4-hour with a very tight stop at the low. I got a 71 entry. I was risking 110 bucks. My TP1 was here. I got fully out for about 65 points at a break of 35s, which is another 5-minute fair value above. Hindsight, I could have left runners here, but I played a small size position, caught 60 points, made out with 500 bucks. A great trade. Okay, so that trade played out. This is A+ setup. We have an SMT, a sweep of a 4-hour, and then your entry would have been the inverse here. I did not call it because we barely inverse closed above it, and then we instantly smashed down. So I just did not like calling that trade out. But in hindsight, stop at the low, it would have played out totally fine. But again, it's fine. We missed a setup. What do? We stay patient for the next quality opportunity. And this is the perfect setup, guys. The perfect setup. If you're looking for an A+ setup, the most perfect setup, here it is. We have bought up aggressively. We know we respected the 4-hour. We know we are bullish. Coming in, we look at the 5-minute time frame. What do we see? We have a 5-minute discounted fair value gap. When we retrace, not respect this one was just a discounted one. That is a high quality continuation look. Swing low, swing high. We draw our tool out. What do we see? The discount of the range has been met. Overall bullish structure. Higher time frames, clear, just uptrend bullish structure. Coming to the 1-minute, we know we hit discount. We know we've repriced to the discounted 5-minute. What do we look for now? I did not see a bearish to inverse entry, so I ended up calling out a shift entry, the CISD entry long here. Long on the close, your entry was 43. Boom. Stop loss place at the wick low or the low here. My TPs I called, internal high on the day. That was a 32-point scale. 181s, as I called in the chat here, 181s. That was a 38-point TP. And then our full TP, new high day, 222 for 79 points. If you played the break, you caught 100. That is an A+ model. And then we caught a banger. We were all green, done for the day. I hopped on PM. I said, only thing I like is a 1-hour retrace continuation long. Right? There's a tap of the 1-hour, no potential entry. Right? Unless bullish forms or a CISD. I said the RR sucks. It sucks. It's a 20-point trade, right? But we got that trade. So I called it out for the chat. And what did we get? 1-hour retrace. And then what do we see? This is a consolidation range. Right? Consolidation range long model here. So we swept lower into the 1-hour. We found that nice CISD shift above these highs. There is your long entry. Your stop loss would be placed here. A tight stop. Why do we only risk about 8 to 10 points? Because our reward is not that much. We're betting that this consolidation range, this aggressive buying from the 1-hour, we should likely hit a new all-time high. That trade got hit. It was only about 21 points. It was a pretty small trade, about 21 points. And then that was it for the day. A very simple day. Again, understanding that we are bullish on the higher time frames. Your first A+ setup lies at the equal low sweep into the 4-hour. I longed the 4-hour off the bat. Waited. You could have got an inverse entry. Long. Boom. right? We extended the range. We retraced to the discounted 5-minute fair value up. Swing high to swing low, we hit the discount of the range. I don't have a 1-minute bullish. I do not have a bearish to inverse. So I play a CISD entry long. There's your long. What are your targets? Internal high scale break even, 1 hour equal highs at 181s, and a new all-time high. And that is a perfect setup. But that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you want to join the Discord, we have a link at the bottom. We'll be happy to have any and all new members. But until next time, guys, peace out.